Sri Guru Maga children, see this is 12th standard state board, chapter 8, exercise 8.2. See here, third second subdivision, f of x equal to y equal to x square plus 2x plus 3, x equal to minus 0.5, dx delta x equal to 0.1. So you should find out f of x or y, f dash of x, or you will write it as what? df by dx, df by dx or dy by dx, you can take it as anything. See, x square become 2x plus 2, 3 become 0. Constant term 3 become 0. So, df equal to 2x plus 2 into dx. You can substitute the value and find the value of df. df equal to 2 into minus 0.5, x value is minus 0.5 plus 2 into what is dx? dx is nothing but what? 0.1 minus 0.5, 0.1. See here, so what is the value for this? df equal to 2 is 10, that is minus 1 plus 2 into 0.1. So it gives 1 into 0.1, the value is 0.1. So df value is equal to 0.1. See next delta f. Delta f equal to f plus xf. See, x plus delta x, delta f equal to f of x plus delta x minus f of x, minus f of x. What is x value? X value equal to minus 0.5, delta x equal to 0.1, delta x equal to 0.1, x plus delta x equal to minus 0.5 plus 0.1 equal to minus 0.4. So, delta f equal to f of minus 0.4 minus f of 0.4, that is, minus f of 0.4 minus f of what is that x value? X value is what? Minus 0.5, minus 0.5. So, it gives, you can substitute everything in the f of x. So, delta f equal to minus 0.4 the whole square plus 2 into 0.4 plus 3, minus 0.4 the whole square plus 2 into 0.3 plus 3 into minus 0.5 minus 0.5 the whole square, minus 0.5 the whole square plus 2 into minus 0.5 plus 3, plus 2 into minus 0.5 plus 3. See here, see delta f equal to 0.4 the whole square is nothing but what? 0.16 plus 0.8 plus 3 minus 0.25 plus 2 into, it gives what? Minus 1.0 plus 3. When we simplify, what is the answer you are getting here? Delta f equal to 3.16 minus 0.8 minus 3.16, 3.16 minus 0.8 minus 2.25. See, 3 plus 0.16 is 3.16 minus 3.16 minus 0.8. See, minus 0.4 4 into 2, it gives minus 0.8. Minus 0.4, the last step, minus 0.4 into 2, it gives minus 0.8. So 3 plus 0.16 is what? 3.16 minus 0.8, and simplify, you get the value minus 2.25. It gives 3.16 minus 3.16, 13 minus, see here, 3.05. So when you subtract, what is the value you are getting? 0.11. So actual change equal to actual change delta F equal to 0.11. Next one is what? Estimated change df. Estimated change df equal to, what is the value we are getting? 0.1. So what is the error? Error equal to delta f minus df equal to, when we subtract these two things, what is the answer you are getting? 0.01. Okay. See the fourth sum. Assuming log e base 10 equal to 0.4343, find an approximate value of log of 1003 base 10. See, first you can take it as f of x equal to log x base 10. Log x base 10. So f of x plus delta x equal to log of x plus delta x base 10. 1003. So x equal to 1003. X value equal to 1000, and delta x you can take it as 3. See, because 1003, you should find out the value of 1003. X value you can take it as 1000, and delta x equal to 3. So x plus delta x equal to 1000 plus 3 equal to 1000. 1003. 1000 plus 3 equal to 1003. So that f of x equal to log x. F of x equal to log x base 10. That you will write it as, see here, log x base e into log e base 10. According to the base rule, see, this value get changed, get the answer of log x base 10. So now you are move on to the f dash of x. F dash of x is nothing but what? df by dx. F with respect to x, log x 1 by x. Log x is 1 by x. Log e base 10. What is the value of log e base 10? It gives df equal to 1 by x into log e base 10 equal to what? 0.4343 into that dx, you can bring it to this side. Okay, you can substitute all the values here. For df equal to 0.4343 by x value, see here, into dx by x into 3 by 1000 into 3 by 1000. See here, df equal to 0.4343 into 0.003. You multiply and check the answer in the refer column. df gives df equal to 0.013001329. You will check the answer, you will do it and check the answer. So you can take it as, what is the first one? Log of, you should find out the value of log of 1003 base 10. It gives log of x plus delta x base 10. What is the value for this? See here, 3, x value is what? F of x plus delta f, 3 plus 0.00130229 log of 1003 base 10. Okay, it gives log of 1003 base 10 equal to 3.00130229. So it gives log of 1003 base 10 equal to 3.0013. The value is 3.0013. See, a trunk of a tree as diameter is 30 centimeter. During the following year, the circumference grew. That is the rate of change. Grew means it is nothing but a rate of changes takes place. Is 6 centimeter. Approximately how much did the tree's diameter grew? They are asking about the tree's diameter grew. Then what is the percentage increase in area of the tree's cross section? Because see, if you have planted any tree, it will grow. Definitely it will grow. So like this it grew. The circumference is nothing but like this. The circumference is grew. That is changes. The changes takes place. What is the changes takes place is nothing but dp. Okay, that is a circumference. You can take it as a p means rate of changes of circumference takes place is nothing but a dp. See, circumference of a tree. Circumference of a tree, p equal to, what is the formula? You know very well, p equal to 2 pi r. So dp by dr with respect to r, dp by dr equal to 2 pi. What is dp? dp equal to 2 pi into dr. dp equal to 2 pi into dr. So dp equal to 2 pi into dr. dp is what? It grows 6 centimeter. 6 equal to 2 pi into dr. So dr equal to 3. So dr equal to 3 by pi. dr equal to 3 by pi. So approximate change in diameter. Approximately change in diameter. So change in diameter equal to, this is radius r. Diameter is nothing but what? 2 into 3 by pi. It gives 6 by pi. 2 into 3 by pi, it gives 6 by pi. Cross section area. What is that cross section area? It's nothing but area of the trunk. That is a tree. Okay. So cross section area. Cross section area A equal to pi r square. Cross section area A equal to pi r square dA by dr with respect to r. What is the value you are getting? 2 pi r square. It is in the power of n into x power n minus 1. So dA equal to 2 pi r into dr. So you will substitute 2 pi, what is that? Is the diameter is 30 centimeter. What is that? Radius 15 into dr. dr is nothing but what? 3 by pi. dr is nothing but 3 by pi. Pi get cancelled. So what is the value we are getting here? See, 15 2s are 30, 90 centimeter square. That is change in area. 90 centimeter square, that is change in area. See, increased in area, increased in percentage. So what is that value we are taken? See, dA by dt, dA by A into 100, dA by A into 100. It's nothing but what? Increased area in percentage. increased area by actual area, increased area by actual area into 100, actual area into 100. What is that increased area? 90. Increased area is 90 by actual area is pi r square. Pi into 15 into 15, because the diameter is 30, radius is what? 15 into 100. You can write it here percentage. See here, 15, 5 3s are 20s are 5 3s are 10s are 3 3s are 9. Sorry, here 4s are 5 4s are 20, 3 3s are 9. So it gives what? 40 by pi percentage. It gives 40 by pi percentage. See, an egg of a particular bird is very nearly spherical. A particular bird is very nearly spherical if the radius to the inside of the cell is radius. It is in a spherical shape. A bird egg it is nothing but a spherical shape. Inside to the cell is 5 millimeter and radius to the outside of the cell is outside cell is 5.3. If it is like this spherical shape, it is like this, inside is 5, outside is what? 5.3 mm. Find the volume of the shell approximately. So radius of the shell equal to 5 millimeter. Radius of the shell equal to 5 millimeter. Delta R equal to dr, that is change in difference outside and inside, because 5.3 minus 5, 5.3 minus 5.0, it gives what? 0.3 mm. 0.3 mm. Next, volume of the sphere. What is the formula for volume of the sphere? Volume of the sphere equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of the sphere equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. So dV by dr, volume with respect to r, it gives what? 4 by 3 into pi into 3 r square. 3 r square, it gives 3 get cancel. So it gives 4 pi r square. dV equal to 4 pi r square into dr. See, now you should find out the volume of the cell. Volume of the cell is nothing but what? V into 5.3 minus V into 5. If you want, you can do it like this, or you can do it straight away. It's approximately the value of dV. You can substitute everything in dV. So dV, volume of the cell equal to you can substitute everything in dV, approximately change in volume. See here, 4 pi into 5 into 5 r square. 5 into 5, what is dr? Is nothing but what? 0.3. It's nothing but 0.3. It gives 25. 25 for 100 into 0.3 pi. 100 into 0.3 pi, it's nothing but 30 pi millimeter cube. So approximately change in volume of the cell is nothing but what? 30 pi millimeter cube.
Stay good, children. See, this is 12th standard state board.
chapter 8, exercise 8.2. Assume the cross section of the artery of a human is circular. You know that the artery shape, it is nothing but a circular shape, tube like a circular shape is given, a drug is given to a patient to dilate his arteries. If the radius of the artery is increased from 2 mm to, if the drug is given, the artery is increased by 2 mm to 2.1 mm, then see how much is the cross section area approximately. The circle is increased by 2 to 2.1 mm. You should find out the increased area of the cross section. See, everything you should write first. Radius. Radius of the artery. Radius of the artery is equal to 2 mm. Is equal to 2 mm. Next, delta R, that is increased, is approximately dr. You know very well that increased area is nothing but delta R equal to dr equal to 2.1 minus 2, it gives what? 0.1 mm. Next, area of the circle. What is the formula for area of the circle? Area of the circle equal to pi r square. That is A equal to pi r square. If A equal to pi r square, differentiate A with respect to R. Differentiate A with respect to R. dA by dr equal to dA by dr equal to pi into 2r. Pi into 2r. dA equal to 2 pi r into dr. 2 pi r into dr. So increased area. Increased area. We are asking about the increased cross section area. So increased area. Increased area, usually you can write what? Approximately dA. Increased area is nothing but what? Approximately dA. dA is nothing but approximately, what is the dA? 2 pi into, what is that R value? R value is equal to 2 and dr is nothing but what? 0.1. So increased area equal to approximately 2 2s are 4, 0.4 pi mm square. 0.4 pi mm square.